Hi guys, this is Better the Test. Today I'm going to be testing a selpHbalance TDS EC meter. And this is what it looks like. Comes in its own little pouch. And when you test it, open it, you submerge it right up to that line. You're going to press the on button. And we're going to test it in tap water. This is the first one. So you submerge it right up to the line, tap the sides just to stabilize it. And once you see that it's stabilized, we're going to pull it out from the water and compare it to this chart. Let's see what our tap water looks like. Okay, so it looks stabilized. So once I pull it out of the water, you're going to hit the hold button. And that's where we're at. So we're going to compare it to the chart. And it comes up to carbon filtration. So it actually looks pretty good. So we're going to dry it. Let's turn it on and off. And we're going to compare the pH to filtered water. I'm going to tap the sides, get it stabilized. And that's where we are. So it's right in between hard water and marginally acceptable. So I guess it's pretty good. It does work. I do get different readings for each water, so that tells me, it is working. So if you're interested in getting your selpHbalance TDS and EC stick, and it looks like this, and you can test it on your pool water, all different types of water. I will be putting the link right below this video review. So if you're interested, go right ahead to Amazon and order your own. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is Better the Test. Bye.